All right, I got to be out this evening, which means I got a little bit of time this afternoon, which means auto repair always. I feel like I run a shop. I don't. I just have 4 drivers at my house, 3 old cars because I don't like auto payments. So this is our 2010 Cobalt. I have a P0455, I think is what it is, which I'm told is interpreted by the computer as a EVAP system large leak, often solved by replacing the EVAP canister purge valve, which on this car is right there. I think I can do this with a pick, and that's all I need. Symptoms we're getting is kind of a hard start, weird idle, doesn't like to stay running sometimes. So we're gonna do this because it's cheap. I might clean the throttle body while I'm in there, and we'll pray that we don't have to do an EVAP canister or a fuel pump or something else that would deal with the, this is it. This is gonna work for sure, right? That's how life works. Yeah, here we go. Okay, taking this apart. This thing right here, get my pick, has a tab right there. If you can see it. I don't actually need the pick. I'm just gonna push it down with my thumb. Pull this off, there we go. This one right here has this gray piece that you can see. I think if I push this way, I can remove that as well. That is the case, I'll show you. See, when you push, it releases that. That's what we did. And then this one's got this red tab down there. I might use the pick for that. Just down, pry it down, pull it off. There we go. I should be able to just slide this that way. There might be a clip we're gonna investigate. There was a clip. I'm gonna show you this. I couldn't show you with the video anyway, but I'll show you how it works. That was on there. I bent it up just a little bit, which might be a bad plan, but it gave me clearance there. And then I was able to take this screwdriver, go right in here and just push down on that tab, which also pushed up on this clip right there, which let it slide off. Problem solved. So now I'm gonna undo what I did. I'll pull that back up so that when I put the new one on, it will clip in and we'll get the new one. Here's the new one right here. I'm gonna slide it on. You'll probably be able to hear it clip in if I get this done right. There we go. Great camera work. Push that back to where it was. There we go. And then we're gonna plug this in. Give it a little tug, make sure it's not coming out. We're gonna push this over again to get the clearance we need. Put that on here. All the way seated. Return that to where it goes. This thing opens up like that. We're gonna open it up, push it on, give it a little tug, and we should be good to go. Not meant to be an instructional video. None of my videos are. I'm just a knucklehead in a dirt floor garage trying to save some cash. Maybe you're similar. Maybe you got a concrete floor. Maybe you got driveway. I don't know. You can probably do this one. Like, I didn't even need tools, really. Could have used a stick. You can probably pull it off. Give it a try.